दूरियां मैं जी रहा तेरा मैं जी
I love this song, but
Good morning, Dina ji.
good morning, Poonam. How are you this
I'm
morning?
okay.
Yes, good to see you. And
Same here. Always a pleasure.
it's always a pleasure for me too to have good friends come. And friends के साथ बड़ा मजा आता है. And I want to say hello, good morning, namaste, sat sri akal, salam alaikum, Jai Shri Krishna to all my friends who have joined and who will be joining and who will be watching it later on. उनका तो good evening हो गया कहीं पे, good afternoon भी है. So I'm really excited today for this program with Poonam. You know, we've been talking about it for a while. So finally it materialized today, and very happy that we are together. And let me see who's here. I think Kamlesh ji is here. Yes, Kamlesh ji, good morning. How are you? Ramaji is here, and Kamlesh ji is not here yet. I don't know what happened to her. She has to join. Good morning,
Namaste to
Ramaji. Good
everybody.
morning.
Good morning to everybody. Sat Sri Akal.
Sat Sri Akal. And
And Adab to everybody who's joining in right now.
yes, I'm going to go back to my program over here. Yeah, here. So, Poonam, what have you been up to? I know we've been seeing each other on Zoom. कभी Zoom में ज़्यादा मिलते हैं आजकल. Really?
Yes.
I
क्या
mean,
करें, सबके schedules इतने busy हो गए हैं, किसी को पास time ही नहीं to personally meet anymore.
so what happens is that we are planning things, and we
Yeah.
doing a lot of stuff on Zoom these days. अभी Zoom का पहले देखो, before the pandemic, I think hardly anybody heard about Zoom and Facebook and कोई नहीं करता था. लेकिन nowadays, we still use it, and we're still using it. Anyway, so good to know that we joined on this thing. I think Kamlesh is having a little problem joining, so she's writing to me, and I told her to join. We are on the timeline. So before we start, I just want to ask you, ये आपने सिलेक्शन बड़ी कमाल की है आपकी, जो मैंने देख रही हूँ. मैंने सारे गाने कल देखे थे, मैंने कहा बड़ी जबरदस्त सिलेक्शन है, and all are very popular songs. So do you really कैसे आपने select किया कि these are your favorite songs, or just randomly you selected, or
No. Random नहीं है. These songs, like, for me, it's soulful singing. Like, मैं honestly जब गाना मुझे नहीं पसंद होता, मैं नहीं गा सकती उसको. Like, मेरा मन नहीं करता. If I sing from my heart. And I guess growing up with this, I mean, these are our age songs. जो शायरी होती है, there's love, there's emotion, and there's so beauty in these songs. And I think they're evergreen. That's why I chose these particular songs. आज तक इनको लोग गुनगुनाते हैं, गाते हैं. People have not forgotten these songs.
No, and they never will, because they are tried and tested, and कितने सालों से चल रहे हैं, and people still
Correct.
and आजकल के जो young generation है वो भी गाते हैं, because when you see all these programs nowadays, they're all singing older songs.
Yeah.
If you see, tell me some movie of Shah Rukh Khan about 10, 15 years, I don't remember anything.
I mean, I might remember that time, but abhi
One or thing, but anything. Salman Khan कौन सा the Bang का कोई, like it's nothing. But if you ask about Devanand, yeah,
my favorite.
but yeah, Raj Kapoor के, मतलब so many songs come in your mind, they just come. So this is what I think is that beauty of that era, 60s, 50s,
60s and 50s and 70s also, a little touching the 70s also.
80s के बाद थोड़ा change हो जाता है, like 90s का, forget it. I don't know. They're nice songs. I'm not saying, but for our generation, we are still stuck in those 60s and 70s, like 50s songs के. तो आज की selection बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. So before we talk anymore, I would like to you to sing the first one. I know you have them in some kind of an order. तो ये अभी हमने check भी किया था, तो बड़ा ज़बरदस्त गाना है. And the movie is, I think, Hamrahi.
Hamrahi, that's correct. आपकी permission से, with your permission, when you're ready.
मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, do you remember कौन गा रहा था मूवी में?
No, इसमें क्या कहते हैं, मुबारक बेगम and मोहम्मद रफ़ी. And मुबारक बेगम, nobody remembers her because वो ज़्यादा चढ़ी नहीं. लेकिन क्या आवाज़ थी उनकी? Oh my God. For a moment there, I honestly thought it was Asha ji or some other well-known singer. जब मैंने देखा मुबारक बेगम, then I did a little research to find out who she was. And I couldn't believe she did not have a good career. मतलब, like, लाइक कई स्टार्स होते हैं, बहुत रोल्स मिलते हैं, बहुत गिग्स मिलती हैं, उस बेचारी को लाइक शी वाज फॉरगॉटन। एंड इसकी पिक्चराइजेशन किया राजेंद्र कुमार एंड जमुना।
Oh, that's some that I've definitely seen the movie. I know that, but मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि उसका रजिंदर कुमार is also very emotional and very like a serious type of role करते थे, you know. And Jamna, maybe she came a few times also, just like
Times probably.
that's how
I
it is.
don't know if साउथ इंडियन की थी और साउथ से थी, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर, मे बी समबडी कैन एनलाइटन मी, क्योंकि ये साउथ की एक्ट्रेसेस
हमारी होंगे
भी आती थी फिर चली जाती थी, यू
हमारी
रिमेम्बर?
लिखी है रमा जी। जमुना कहाँ की थी? साउथ की थी? Anyway, she'll give us the answer soon. So without any further ado, let's hear the first song. आपके सिलेक्शन तो like I said, इस वे क्या क्या मैं बोलूँ, बहुत जबरदस्त है।
We're going to start.
वाह वाह वाह, ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही अच्छा गाया आपने। और गाना भी बहुत, आई मीन तरह से such a beautiful melodious song, and you did really 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 justice to it, I must say. सब compliments कर रहे हैं आपको, बहुत अच्छा गाया है। How many time when you select the song, have you sang them a few times, then you don't have to practice them, or you practice them as well? What do you do?
तो रियाज तो करना पड़ता है, that's no way in hell you can sing.
Go like that, you'll sing.
Yeah, you need to practice a lot of times, yeah.
That's true, that I agree.
Or
Otherwise,
is Ramaji going to tell us a little bit about the singer? Because Ramaji
साउथ का है, साउथ की है।
साउथ की है ना, जमुना, आई एम सॉरी, एक्ट्रेस, राइट राइट, साउथ की। वो मैं कह रही हूँ, आई वाजंट श्योर, लेकिन ये लोग फिर कभी कभी आते थे, दे डिडंट कम इन दैट मेनी हिंदी
Not
मूवीज।
very, maybe she was popular in the south, तो एक movie
करेक्ट करेक्ट
something like
करेक्ट।
that.
I think the only one who really did it was Vijanti Mala. Then she became totally in the North Indians, and Sri Devi and Rekha, three of them.
हेमा मालिनी,
You're right, absolutely, absolutely.
ऐश्वर्या भी उधर की थी।
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Well, a few of them, but they are all of them, when they really come over to the Hindi movies में, तो जबरदस्त जो होती है टॉप वाली आती हैं। वहीदा रहमान, I think she was also from the south, if I'm not mistaken.
No, that I don't know. That you have to ask somebody who knows that. I don't know about Ida Rahman, if she was.
Karnataka or something, like for us, they all, जब साउथ का होता है ना, they're different states के, हमको साउथ ही कह देते हैं। Different places actually. They all, कोई इधर का है, कोई इधर का, but anyway, that's for us, they all साउथ का कह देते हैं।
Fabulous, so beautiful, so, and जब वो हिंदी मूवी में एक्टिंग करती थी तो क्या कमाल की डिक्शन थी, लेकिन अगर आप उनसे 1-to-1 बात करो, उनकी हिंदी बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है।
I would say हेमा मालिनी, even up to now, if you listen to her otherwise talking, जैसे आपने बोला है, तो उसकी हिंदी बिल्कुल, she still has a very heavy South Indian accent.
करेक्ट करेक्ट, बट मूवीज में क्या इनकी डिक्शन बराबर ब्यूटीफुल, नॉट एक लफ्ज नहीं इधर का उधर।
कभी कभी उसकी होती थी थोड़ी, हेमा की, I felt. So anyway, she was not really, and since you said about the singers, मुझे बाद में ख्याल आया कि एक और भी सिंगर बहुत जबरदस्त, Ramaji also, everybody must be knowing, fantastic singer who sounded exactly like Lata Mangeshkar. Can anybody guess who it is?
I know, but I'm not going to say it. Let other people say first.
Ramaji, anybody here? Can you, in the panel, whoever's watching, does anybody remember a great singer as good as Lata Mangeshkar? And lot of people could not even tell कि ये लता गा रही है, कौन गा रहा है, कौन है, बताना जरा। We'll discuss in person. Okay, अभी यहाँ पर बताओ, मुझे तो मालूम है, I know who it is, but I just want to see if anybody knows over here. But anyway, this was that she was also the same thing. She sang, but that there are a lot of people who have the majority in the industry. They're the ones who, Suman Kalyanpur, yes. Ramaji ने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला, सुमन कल्याणपुर.
Suman Kalyanpur, that's what I was going to say. So I just kept quiet. I said, let the panel decide.
Exactly. So I also knew it. But उसके जो गाने, really you can't tell कि कौन गा, you can't make out. And you really can't make out. And she sounds exactly like Lata Mangeshkar. And
Absolutely.
for that reason only, a lot of the people were scared to get her on, because they said, we'll get angry. Lata is going to get angry with us. So बेचारी का career कम हो गया. Like,
Yeah, agreed.
talented woman, very talented and everything, but that's what happens.
Like, आजकल के you have so many singers, मुझे पता ही नहीं उनके नाम। पहले होते थे the big seven, you knew each one, right? You knew each one कि ये होएगा, ये होएगा, ये होएगा. There was nobody else. अभी तो नई नई शक्लें, नई नई आवाजें, I mean they're all amazing, but you can't keep up.
I can't keep up.
Correct.
They're all very, उनकी training तो बहुत जबरदस्त है. Train. Nowadays, it's very different from what it used to be. Like those days are totally different. The way they used to do the background singing and all. आजकल everything is so much advanced. Like AI, ये वो सब बीच में आ गया अब. All these things, technical things. तो अब चलते हैं next वाला. आपकी जो selection है वो भी बहुत जबरदस्त है. Movie असली नकली. Tell me one person here who hasn't seen it. Not
My favorite, Sadhana. I loved her.
maybe favorite थी.
Oh, what a beauty.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, she looks so beautiful, elegant. हर एक मूवी में मेरे महबूब देखो. Yeah, with I think she came in such good. I think
Mera Saya, was she in Mera Saya?
Saya with Sunil Dutt.
हाँ हाँ।
He has a double role in that one. That was a very my favorite movie too.
वो कौन थी? वो कौन थी? वाह, उसका
Anita,
जो फ्रिंज था, that's one made her famous, that fringe.
a movie Anita. It was a mystery movie. I think with Manoj Kumar, if I'm not
Oh, I
mistaken.
don't remember that one.
If you see it on YouTube or something, see that movie. She looks so amazing. She's my favorite. So she used to be my favorite, and Vajanti Mala. These two are my favorites before. Madhumati movie देखी है उसकी तो कमाल की थी. Madhubala की. I mean, sorry, Vajanti Mala. And of course, Madhubala, of course, there too. But anyway, let's go to the next song, Asli Nakli, and let's hear that. Poonam?
माता दी।
Another gorgeous song. Poonam Bodhi. Yeah, this is a very well known. काफी लोग गाते हैं इसको, but everybody has their own style. You know, like जो गाते हैं, everybody has to put their own into
Touch.
it, right? Touch to it. Yes, exactly. That's the word. So really, very nice, and I like it a lot. मैंने काफी दफा सुना हुआ है, लेकिन आपने बड़ा अच्छा गाया इसको, बहुत जबरदस्त गाया. Movies असली नकली में भी साधना थी, और कौन था इसके साथ?
देवानंद था?
I think that's what I was gonna say. Asli Nakli. I think it was the. I think so too. एंड रमा जी ने भी कुछ लिखा हुआ है, राजकुमार एंड शम्मी कपूर, वो किसी और मूवी का होएगा, आई डोंट नो। रमा जी किस मूवी का आपने लिखा है? एनीवे, ओके सुमन, यस। No, this is really very nice, very nice. So, is this you've been singing since how long? Like you've been practicing since
Uh,
childhood, say, yeah, when you developed this passion for singing, ka, yeah.
I've been like singing Western mostly in the beginning because school में choir में थी in primary school. Then I sort of left it, and my mom was a great folk singer. And she never had classical training. She used to play dholki. She could sing in the mandir without a loudspeaker. Her bhajans were amazing. I guess I just got inspiration from my mom. फिर यहाँ के थोड़ा बहुत गाया, but मुझे हमेशा dissatisfaction रहा कि I'm not singing correct. There's something wrong. So then I went to take lessons, classical training from my Guruji. She's a shagird of Girija Devi ji. Sanjukta Sen, I should give her a lot of credit. And one on one, we worked for 10 years, 11 years. I went to her, and उन्होंने एक बात मुझे कही, कहती है मैं यहाँ आपको बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स नहीं सिखाऊंगी. She says, I'm here to teach you classical, लेकिन ये बेस रहेगा आपका, आप रियाज करते रहना. And believe me, she was right. It really polishes up, whatever there needs to be. I'm not saying I'm a great singer, but I managed to sing because of that.
So, where is she? Online you did it, or okay?
No, I went to her house. She used to live in Queens, but then now she's moved to New Jersey. Then I stopped my lessons with her, but she was great.
Sounds really wonderful. 10 years is a long time, but that's really good. It means you're really
Almost 11 until she moved, I was with her.
dedicated.
And I was in my mid 40s, so I felt so ashamed कि लोग बचपन में सीखते हैं और मैं late 40s में जाके सीख रही हूँ, mid 40s में. I felt embarrassed कि इतनी, but I said, you know what, I'm going to put a big stone on my heart and go for it.
And you did the right thing because you like it, and now you do it. You sing, like to sing. So anything that you like to do, one should go pursue it. Doesn't matter what age it is, whatever age you are. That's what I think.
I think so too, and I think it helps. Motivation भी, सब friends भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, supporting हैं.
That's very
I
important.
think that helps a lot.
So, आपकी background कहाँ की? I know you told me that you're from.
I was actually, I'm from Singapore. That's my hometown. Grew up there, did my entire education, did my university there. घर में, our recreation on Sunday was good to go and see Hindi movies. उससे मुझे शौक पैदा हुआ हिंदी गानों का. I love them. And गुनगुनाते थे, रेडियो में भी आते थे, 1 hour a day हिंदी गाने आते थे on Singapore radio. So I used to love them, साथ में गाती रहती थी. So I guess the शौक वहाँ से पैदा हुआ.
मूवी देखने से होता है. मूवी एंड सिंगापुर में तो बहुत ही इंडियंस है वैसे भी.
अब भी ज्यादा हैं. पहले हमारे टाइम इतने दिन साउथ इंडियन ज्यादा होते थे हमेशा. They were more like, I grew up with all South Indians, so इसलिए मुझे उनकी मूवीज भी देखने में बड़ा शौक होता था. I couldn't speak Tamil, but I used to enjoy their movies.
Yeah, there are South Indians, Chinese, and mixed cultures,
Yes.
mixed people. Malaysians, were you in Malaysia too, right?
I was born in Malaysia, but I moved to Singapore when I was 2. So basically, that's my hometown. Malaysia ki memories are not there with me.
So Singapore is a very nice place.
The same culture, same exact thing.
What the same, yeah. I think sometime उनका prime minister जो भी है कभी South Indian हो जाता है, कभी Chinese है, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, different people. But anyways, I've been there. Like the food भी also you got South Indian food, कभी सब कुछ चाहिए मिल जाता है.
Everything you can, everything.
Looking at shopping, of course.
Amazing shopping.
Beautiful place. Good. And चलो next वाला है from the movie दो रास्ते. Oh my God, this is a very good song.
This is a little dancing number, like a little more, not so sad, not so this, but थोड़ा सा उसमें धमाका है.
मुझे
So I
मालूम है
thought change the tune a little bit.
इसमें
Mumtaz
and
Ganesh
Rajesh
Khanna.
Khanna. That's why I don't have to ask anybody this one. I remember because
They were the pair of the screen, and them and him and Sharmila Tagore. Correct? Early 70s में.
different type of उसके साथ different type of movie करता था आराधना. इसके साथ थोड़ा म्यूजिक वाला है, डांस वाला था.
Jumpy ना, इसके साथ jumpy था, उसके साथ more romantic था.
Exactly. That's true. That's a beautiful song. Everybody, I'm sure, knows about it and heard it millions of times.
Let's start.
अरे बड़ा ही मजा आया सुन के। I love this song. तो
Thank you.
मैं तो I'm just thinking about the song, how they're singing, वो जो सारे scene
The
मुझे
picturization.
याद आ रहा है। Yeah, I'm getting that in my mind and I'm laughing.
You remember she's like shadowing Rajesh Khanna because उसको पढ़ना होता है क्या करना होता है I don't know but कुछ करना होता है उसको right and वो कहता है मुझे छेड़ो मत तो इसलिए वो नोटी नोटी बन के उसके ना छेड़ती है बार बार
Keeps on doing the, yeah, जब डांस करती ना ससुर के सामने। I mean, it's really very nice. Very, and she was a very good entertainer. Very nice.
was very good and she was very pretty also
आप देखो तो काफी फर्क है। If you see her pictures now,
really
lately, if you see her, not like the way she used to be. Anyway, everybody changes. अभी देखो, if you see Asha Parekh and Wahida Rahman looks still good. I think she still looks good. And Jaya Bhatkar, they're not the image that we have about them, you know, like they used to.
हम भी एज हो गए हैं हम भी बुढ़े हो गए हमने कुछ कराया नहीं but that doesn't mean that we're not old yeah
But they're Bollywood, they don't like to do anything with their hair. They like to keep it natural, you know, like.
I don't know, some of them don't, like Jitinder. I mean, you know how much he's done. His face is all puffed up with Botox. Lekin, hey, some of the actresses, I think gracefully, Vijanti Mala has grown old very gracefully, you know. She looks still good. Vaida Rahman ji looks very good.
Wahida Rahman looks good. Yeah, I don't like too much of Jaya Bhatkar. I don't care too much, and even Asha Parekh, we are saying, ठीक है. She wears very expensive clothes, but look-wise, they haven't maintained. I mean, they tried their best, but that's how they look. I mean, I don't know, whatever it is. But that's the way. They don't want to do anything with their hair. They wear nice clothes. I mean, they have designer clothes and everything, but face का expression भी बदल गया. Like, you know, when they used to act, they had the people have that image.
But yes, Veena ji, you're right. And Veena ji, do you remember they were trendsetters? जो भी वो पहनती थी सबको वो ही पहनना था.
Especially साधना चूड़ीदार का उसने फैशन शुरू किया था आई रिमेम्बर एंड लॉन्ग कमीजें जो है वो तब का फैशन है एंड देन शी यूज्ड टू वेयर द टाइट कमीज होते थे ना लाइक टाइट वाली वो यू कांट इवन वॉक इन दोस एंड दैट टाइम वी वर इन दैट एज ग्रुप और व्हाटएवर दैट एरा वी वर कॉपिंग वी वर लुकिंग एट द मूवीज तो फिर हमने भी सब सारी दुनिया वही बना रही थी यंग लड़के दे वर फॉलोइंग
Hairstyle भी.
द स्टाइल भी फ्रेंच का या ऑड्री हेपबर्न का कॉपी किया था उसने वो फ्रेंच एंड शी वाज ओनली वन हु लुक्ड अमेजिंग यू नो शी लुक्ड रियली गुड suited her very well so I feel that she was a trendsetter
वो Beehive याद है वो Beehive जो height वाले
Oh my God.
शर्मिला टैगोर started it, right? पीछे
Yeah.
कुत्ता or something like that.
राधना में किया हुआ she does that she looks Radha she looks gorgeous she looks really
All of them were like amazing those days.
very very slim and everything कितनी पतली पतली beautiful चलो अब next है वो भी मेरा बहुत ही favorite गाना है बहुत Now,
I hope I can do justice to this song.
yeah. I mean, it's that two versions are इसके, I believe there are two versions of this song, male and female, right?
Yes, and that's why it's a bit more difficult, but I will try to keep the mood and keep the song going as if it's a single person singing.
Right. And also, favorite actors ना इसमें भी साधना है and
Devanand ji, oh,
Devanand
what a romantic.
such a like his face used to be like a young guy, like just he has that look, yeah, and very handsome and very smile बड़ी कमाल की थी. I don't know why something about his smile.
What a smile. What a smile.
It was amazing. And this movie जो आपने ये हम दोनों जो movie है one of a kind, you know, it's like a very very good movie. And इसमें भी double role I think somebody else in that one too, some another actress is in it with him, right? That's
I can't remember, sorry. I mean, can't remember. Only I remembered Sadhna and Devanand, so a little bit out of it.
yeah, Nanda I think Nanda भी थी मेरे ख्याल में. Anyway, everybody will know when they hear it. So let's go, Poonam. Let's hear it.
Jai Mata Di, and with your permission, I'm starting.
Wow, my God, amazing. I love all the songs जो है ना मेरे सारे favorite हैं. How did you know I like all these songs?
Thank
अरे
you.
मेरी भी favorite सुधा जी, welcome सुधा जी. मेरा भी favorite गाना है बहुत. Because
Oh, I love this.
I go by the movie stars वो acting जो होती है ना.
क्या क्या रोमांस होती थी उस टाइम मूवीज में, क्या बातों में रोमांस होती थी, फिजिकली जरूरत नहीं थी, लफ्जों में थे इतने रोमांस.
Exactly. And that the way they spoke to each other उसमें कोई पकड़ने की
हाँ, वही तो टची फीली है ही
no
जाता.
need to touch. There was no need to touch. So you could see
Correct.
the passion, or you could see the love. I don't know, right through the screen, I guess. So this was yeah, I remember it's made very good compliments to put them.
Get ready to defy.
Sorry. Okay.
Great, beautiful singer. Have a great, very good selection. सुधा जी भी अभी आई हैं. Welcome सुधा जी. And सुधा जी को भी किस दिन लेकर आएंगे यहाँ पर, highlight करेंगे सुधा जी. One of these days you all should.
Thank you for all your kind words to everybody.
We are all watching. Rupinder Kaur is watching. हाँ जी, रुपिंदर जी को वेलकम जी. तो बाकी जो है ये हम दोनों जैसे मूवी, it was a good movie, and he also played a double role, or she played a double role. I don't remember. No, he played a double role, I think.
Oh. You know, I've not seen the movie. Can you believe it? मैं
I have to see it.
मूवी नहीं देखी. I have to see it now.
Now you have to see it because if I'm not mistaken, I think he had a double role. Yeah.
Ask your encyclopedia, Rama Ben.
रमा जी कहाँ चलेगी? रमा जी मैं ठीक कह रही हूँ ना? देवानंद जी का डबल रोल था इसमें with साधना, and then he was also married to Nanda. I remember. Anyway, it was what I think it was in black and white, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot.
Those movies were in black and white, right? Those days हम black and white में ही देखते थे सारे movies.
सारी मूवी ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में थी.
वो बाद में आया था all the color, the superimposed, but black and white का era black and white का era था.
वो तो है.
Maybe it's in its beauty.
I mean, who can forget Madhubala's movies? Nargis ki.
Oh,
I mean, unbelievable. Such beautiful. Both of them were beautiful, and they came in such fantastic movies, and all black and white में थी काफी सारी.
you didn't even know what color clothes they were wearing, but you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
You didn't even know what the background was. You enjoyed it. Acting was so super those days, nahi? Expression.
I always say, I think Nargis and Madhubala, they were like born. I mean, you can say with that
Want to act.
with that thing, acting in the blood, whatever it is, they came so naturally to them. Whatever they said, whatever they did, how much can you learn? This all comes from yourself. A lot of acting comes from yourself. You know, they teach you what to say, but a lot of them, they were acting, karna, ye karna, that comes from their own knowledge, or whatever the word is. So Sudha ji, very great. आप 14th का भी बता दो मुझे. Anyway, so मैं को remind करा रही हूँ. So like I said, everybody, since they are here, we're gonna have a very good March 14th. We are planning a holy program with our great singers from DDG. So please watch out. Announcement will be made next week for that. So अब आपके मैं एक क्वेश्चन करना है. I know your singing is your passion and all, but just in case, if you're home and not doing anything and थोड़ा सा बोर हो रहे हो, you want to pass your time, so what do? Watch TV or read? What do you do?
I think both, a little bit of both. Watch TV. I don't read that much, except I'm reading on the internet only. Article news is all there. But I like to watch TV, and I actually, because I give company to my husband, because he wants to watch TV. He's like, do you want to watch this? Do you want to watch this? So I sit with him. But अगर मेरे पास time होता है, I think music is my stress relief. जब मुझे बिल्कुल ही I don't want to do anything, I go to a quiet place and then I just enjoy my songs, singing.
Yes. And I like, for me, singing. I mean, I don't sing. I like to sing. I didn't like you. I didn't have any training, nothing. पर मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Now recently मैंने group join किया during the COVID time mostly. Wow. Singing के भी.
Amazing.
But I also like to watch. Like to listen to a lot of music. I love all kind of music. I love music. For me, once I'm listening to music, I forget about everything else.
Yeah, and that music is a stress relief for most people.
Yeah, exactly. It takes you to a different level, different.
Yeah. It brings you to a new dimension.
अभी next जो है वो भी बड़ा जबरदस्त गाना है, and Anamika. This one I don't know. Yes, you're right. They were natural beauties, all these actresses. तो ये मूवी का मुझे मालूम नहीं कौन कौन है इसमें. अनामिका,
Sanjeev Kumar and Jaya Bhaduri.
Jaya Bhaduri. Okay. Okay, now
आई
I'm
थिंक
watching
आई थिंक
something.
उसकी मेमोरी चली जाती है तो वो उसको घर ले आता है, कुछ ऐसे ऐसे था मूवी में, मैं बड़ी पुरानी है अभी, एंड उसकी मेमोरी नहीं आती तो शी सॉर्ट ऑफ फॉल्स इन लव विथ हिम.
Okay, I've heard about it, but I didn't get a chance to see it.
बट दैट वाज अनदर ब्रिलियंट एक्टर, संजीव कुमार.
Yeah, he was, and he went away too early, I would say. Too early, much too early. Oh, thank you so much, Kamleji, but I'm not. I'm really new kid on the block in singing, actually. Okay, that's the only word I can think of. Anyway, let's go. अब पूनम सुन रहे हैं.
ओके डियर.
पूरा जबरदस्त गाना है. Too good. Like Sudhaji was saying that Jai looked very cute in this movie.
She
She
was
said that time she looked really cute with the, like petite.
she was very young also, na, those
Yeah,
times.
petite सी थी ना, but she used to look really good. I
हाँ.
agree. I agree with that.
Yeah, but you know the movie belonged to her that time. She was basically not a sidekick. She was the main in that movie.
Exactly. She used to carry the movie on, like because of her acting. एक मूवी देखी थी, उसकी पहली मूवी थी मेरे ख्याल गुड्डी गुड्डी थी.
Yeah, she took it by herself, the whole movie.
That movies I think was her first movie or something. Yeah,
She was a little girl that time, 15 की थी, कितने की थी? I don't remember.
very young. And I believe Sanjeev Kumar was natural comedian type. Like very. एक कौन सी मूवी थी, सिलसिला.
Oh, सिलसिला में हाँ, he was there, right? He was there.
Exactly.
उसमें क्या उस हेमा के साथ वो गाना
रेखा
था.
रेखा रेखा.
नहीं वो ट्विंस होती है, सीता और गीता.
That's a different. Yes, that's also very good. Hema.
हेमा एक इसमें but he did classic acting in that movie खिलौना. He was a child, lived in a child's world. वो अपनी मेमोरी खो जाता है और बिल्कुल बच्चा बन जाता है.
Some of them very. I mean, he came in very. सिलसिला में भी उसने अच्छा रोल किया है as a husband of रेखा.
देखा, right?
You know.
नहीं, उसकी comedy sense was amazing. But क्या, you're right. He was never good looking, but क्या कमाल की acting करता था.
शोले में he's
Oh,
like,
Thakur. Wasn't he Thakur who lost his arms?
mhm.
Right, Thakur, yeah.
Yeah, he was.
I think one of my favorite, जब पता लगता था संजीव कुमार is in the movie, you knew it was a fantastic movie. क्योंकि उसकी acting carried the whole movie. But जया के साथ उसकी combination was lethal. They were both fantastic actors.
Went very well together. Yeah, this movie जैसे आपने बोली है. We have one more left. One more.
I hope everybody is not bored. इतने गाने.
But we are running out of time. We are running out of time.
Okay, we'll fast करते हैं ये फिर.
हाँ.
ठीक है? It's not very long.
लास्ट वाला है
ठीक है.
प्यार का नगमा. इसको भी हम छोड़ नहीं सकते.
Thank
इतनी
you.
आपकी यहाँ पे तारीफ हो रही है। सुधा जी वेरी गुड, शी इज वेरी, मेरी ग्रुप्स में भी हैं दो तीन, शी इज अ
I cannot see anything because I'm on Zoom. You can see.
you have to see, go back and listen to it, टाइमलाइन में जाओ ना। मैंने आपको वैसे रिकॉर्डिंग भेजी है,
Thank
बट
you.
आप जाके सुनना कमेंट्स सबके जो हैं, एंड शुक्रगुजार करना, उनको थैंक यू करना, एंड
Thank you to
ऑल ऑफ
everybody
देम
for
आर,
being
या दे
kind.
आर राइटिंग सच नाइस कमेंट्स, और आपने बड़ा अच्छे, सिलेक्शन बहुत ज़बरदस्त थी। ओके, या यू मिस सम सॉन्ग्स इन द बिगिनिंग सुधा जी, तो आप देखना शुरू से, एंड इनके एक एक गाना ज़बरदस्त है, एंड मूवीज़ जो है सिलेक्शन कमाल की है, आई टू से। सो रियली पुट, आई थिंक यू पुट एन एफर्ट, आई डोंट नो आपका वो नहीं आया सबसे फेवरेट गाना जो था, जो आपने नहीं गाया,
कौन सा बताओ?
जो आप गाते हो हमेशा,
That one.
ये
क्या कहते हैं?
बर्दाश्त है ये।
हाँ, अजीब दासा। मैंने कहा वो पिछली बार गा लिया ना। पिछली बार मेरा गला खराब था तो मैंने तेरा मेरा प्यार नहीं गाया, तो मैंने कहा आज उसकी कसर पूरी कर लेती हूँ।
हाँ, तो
रिमेम्बर,
बहुत
अजीब दास्ता इज माय फेवरेट, लेकिन वो
बहुत-
पिछली बार गा दिया था। मैंने कहा लोग बोर हो जाएंगे कि बार बार एक ही गाना गा रही है।
मेरे को, मेरा भी अच्छा लगता है, मुझे भी। तो आपकी सिलेक्शन बहुत कमाल की थी, एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम व्हिच विल कॉल यू बैक अगेन ऑफ कोर्स। एंड ऑल्सो लाइक आई सेड बिफोर, हम होली का कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट, बट कोइंसिडेंटली नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे ही होली है, मेन डे, एंड वी गोना हैव अ लिटिल प्रोग्राम इन द मॉर्निंग।
If I can join, I will definitely join. And it, your programs are always amazing. And क्या होता है, दिल, it's truly दिल दिया गला, because it's no celebrities. We don't need all those big talk. It's heart to heart, दिल दिया गला, heart to heart. और जो दिल में होता है कह देते हैं हम सब. It is wonderful. It's amazing. And thanks to you, I mean, to bring this whole project together, to get all these people together, Joe, they would not even have a platform to expose their talents, and you are exposing everybody's talents by giving them a platform. It's amazing.
Yes, that's true, because a lot of people, they don't, so many
They're
can't
shy, or they feel
That's
there's nobody appreciative of their talents,
try to make them calm down, talk a little bit, like, थोड़ी बहुत तो बात करनी होती है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
Yes, so that's Sudhaji, no problem, आप जाके सुनना, and do try to join on the 14th, let me know, आप भी पूनम भी मुझे बताना।
Thank you.
And after that, all of you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining.
And thank you again, Veena ji, for giving me this opportunity to be here today with you, and to have this guftgu, and to sing, and to enjoy ourselves. And thank you again for everything.
You're welcome, anytime, anytime. And thanks so much for all of you for joining. And do me a favor, please forward to your friends if possible. उसको शेयर करके अपने टाइमलाइन में डालो प्रोग्राम को, so that more people can enjoy and listen, and then they can also forward. तो ऐसे ही होता है ना, अपना थोड़ी दुनिया बढ़ जाएगी।
बिल्कुल।
So anyway, Poonam, enjoy the day. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I will take my leave now, and everybody take care. Have a good day and enjoy yourselves.
Thank you so much, Poonam.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye. Bye, everyone. We'll be back here again this coming Friday and next week as well. We have a couple of programs next week set up. I will let you all know. Okay. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye bye.